So tell me about your experience. What surgery did you undergo? Tell me about the impact of that surgery and why did you consider that surgery? Plastic surgery is considered as a taboo. Why did you consider that surgery?
Okay, so I went through a breast reduction surgery. I was an F cup before the surgery, and after the surgery now I am a D cup. So I'll tell you first of all why I considered the surgery. I think I don't think it is a taboo. I think people do still feel that it is a taboo, but while I was considering it, there are a lot of things that were going on in my mind, and there are a lot of things that I have gone through because of this since my teenage years. Okay, so all of that, when you consider a surgery like this, will not seem very as a taboo to you, because you are the one going through it. The changes that have happened in my life, we're talking about very small things that have changed for me, but they make a big impact when you think about a woman's life, right? So just going to the gym or just going to a Zumba class, I would always choose to go to a women's gym, to a women's club. I would just not go to a unisex club, because you know how embarrassing it is when you have to just jump. You just can't do it freely. You just can't, even if you want to. So it is a big deal. These are the kind of issues that I used to face daily. And when I come back home from office, I cannot just go braless. I just can't. I have to be strapped all the time, because you're just so big and it's uncomfortable. It's not about being big or caring about how you're looking. It's not about the appearance of it all. It's about how you're feeling after it. Are you even comfortable without a bra? You're just not. Are you comfortable with a bra? You're just not. So when are you comfortable? Just never. I had constant backache. I had constant neck ache. Like my shoulders hurt all the time. That's what I remember, right? But after going, it's just, obviously any surgery is inconvenient, right? There is pain involved. But how many days of it? I think it took me just 30 days to completely heal. First 5 days to heal in a way where I could just do my daily things, and then just a month to go back to the gym and do what I was doing, slowly and steadily. But if you think about the 34 years of my life, they just changed in a month. Are you getting my point? So that's how my life changed just in a month. And anybody who is not comfortable with the size of their breasts, I will definitely recommend this surgery. Because if you're thinking of people, how they think about it, how they perceive it, you shouldn't, because you are the one going through all of that. Nobody else is. Nobody cares, right? And honestly telling you, nobody noticed in my case. Like, I know I went through it, but everybody was like, something, you've lost weight, but nobody really saw it as that I would take such a drastic step, nobody thought about it. I didn't tell anybody, and nobody really knew. So it was my journey with my husband and my mom. That's all. So I'm really happy after.
So put it very rightly that it was my journey. I'm very impressed by the fact that you have mentioned that part, because nobody, your parents, your partners are supportive of whatever you want to do and all that, but it is something affecting you. So you mentioned like 34 years. It's a long time for considering all those things, and what all those factors were there, like अब तो करवाना ही. What was that moment?
I think after having my baby, earlier I always had this thing in my mind. It's not a one-day decision. Obviously, there are a lot of things that
absolutely right.
led me to this decision. But after having my baby, I gained a lot of weight, and my breasts obviously became much bigger. When you are lactating, you sag as well. So that also became another problem. And it affected everything after that. It affected my intimacy also with my husband in a lot of ways, that I just was like, I think he loved me the way he loved me, but I was just not comfortable with my body anymore. I was just not. And I told him, I was like, that's it. I just can't do this anymore. I don't want to see myself in the mirror like this anymore. And he's like, I don't have a problem with it. You're beautiful the way you are. I said, I don't feel beautiful. I just don't. I don't care you feel I'm beautiful or not. I want to feel beautiful. And so there was just a day, I was just sitting at home, just doing like nothing. Like, I had my baby and I had my mom, my husband. I was like, I am just going to a doctor. And he's like, for what? I was like, let me just do a consultation on this, because I had discussed this before. I was like, are you mad? It's okay, just lose some weight. I was like, this is not going to happen. And that brought me to my research. I told you I did another consultation, and the moment I met you, I just knew that you were my doctor. But there are so many things that led to it, and there was just one day I just knew that I just can't anymore. So I just came to you, and the moment I met you, I think the next day we discussed and we just decided on the date. So my mind was making up for years.
Years, actually. It was not a day decision, right? It's a journey. First of all, you have to recognize, there is a problem. Then, as a patient, you have to take care of all the stakeholders, in your life which you have. Then you have to make a decision, who to go to and all that thing. So how would you, rate that journey? It's had been very tough. I know you fought like anything for, when you see a fighter, you know a fighter. So you are one of them. I mean, how would you rate your journey in terms of, struggle and all those things?
Okay, so I think there is a very interesting point you said, that you have to manage all the stakeholders. And especially as a woman, there are more stakeholders who are dependent on you.
Yes.
Right? When you have a 1.5-year child, you go for a surgery where you can't pick up your child after for a month. It's a big decision.
Yes,
I mean, it looks very small. I mean, it breaks my heart, when the
as a
child
mother,
just runs to you. And so that was there in my mind, that how will this happen? My baby is there. How will I just hold her? And then all the other things like cooking at home and all those things. How do you manage your meals and all of that? Those things come to it. So I think those struggles were, I would rate them 8 out of 10, because those are struggles. My mom was there, so she's great, and that is there. There's one thing which really helped me make this decision was you and Pragyan, when you told me that it will not take as much time to heal as you're thinking. You gave me a very you gave me a flow chart of my healing process as well, right? So when you told me, okay, after 5 to 7 days you will be able to drive, after 10 days you will be able to do this as number of activities that you listed, right? So I think that really helped me, because I could stage my recovery. Right? So I planned ahead a lot, right? So there are a few people you have to take in confidence. So there's a very good friend of mine who lives just right next door. We are neighbors. So I told her as the first person. I said, look, you know my daughter and she's fond of you. So I am going to go through with a surgery. And when I'm not there for a couple of days, you'll have to be here, helping my mom. So I planned that. And I had a 12-hour maid for cooking and all of that is not an issue. When I went back home after the surgery, that's when the struggle happened, in terms of when my daughter saw me for the first time and she didn't know what to make out of it, because I had two tubes in my hand with blood oozing out, and she just started crying. So that was a little emotional part of it which happened. But honestly, I'll tell you what, after 15 days, I just held her for the first time. And I was like, theek hai, and then I got the confidence कि थोड़ा मैं कर सकती हूँ. After a month, I was fine. So that was a little bit of struggle. But other than that, I think you and your team were very transparent in terms of how the journey is going to be, which actually helped me plan ahead. So not really an issue.
So how would you rate your experience with us?
I would rate it 100 out of 10 if I could.
You have been very generous throughout.
If that score exists, I would rate it 100 out of 10. Not just because of the flawless surgery that has happened and how I look, also because of how I have been feeling after coming to you, like how I was made to feel. Especially, you definitely are there, but Pragyan also is such a big support. She's a girl, so it's easier to first communicate with her about such things, and you also make it very comfortable. I have not a single time, even when I came to you first time, I've never felt uncomfortable in your presence, never ever. I felt amazing. The whole journey was fantastic, and my life has completely changed. It's wonderful. I am all smiles most of the time, and I can do the activities that I couldn't. I can wear the clothes that I couldn't before. So I would definitely recommend not only this surgery. If you are, underconfident about anything about yourself, which just these exercises or all of these things are not changing for you, or or you just don't want to exercise, you just want to like change it in a day. So you should just go for it. It's all absolutely worth it. Yes, and with you, it's absolutely worth it. You're the best doctor that I've ever met.
Thank you so much. I have the best team and I have the best patients, as I say. So thank you so much. This is going to help a lot of patients in terms of people don't actually know what a patient goes through it. I mean, for a surgeon also it's very enlightening for me. I mean, I do surgeries day in day out, and you forget sometime you are interacting with a human. You have to understand the psyche, so it is very important. So thank you for sharing your insights, and I am actually enlightened, and I hope that I got to improve in my practice and my patient interaction. All that this will really help me out and all the others who are watching. Thank you so much.